What's up, everybody? It's Chris from One Take coming in to talk about Doge. Today I want to go over if we actually saw the bottom of the market. People are calling it, saying that we're going to go into a bull market right now, and I honestly don't see it. The charts really aren't screaming all-time highs to me, and also I've been looking at where people are putting their money, and it's not into the crypto market, it's not into the stock market, it's into something else. So I'll show you exactly where people are putting their money, and I'll show you exactly what the charts are saying. That's the goal for today. We're going to try and paint a bigger picture, and let's see if we can do it. As always, this is not financial advice, and remember to please like, comment, and subscribe. The goal was 100 subscribers, and we did it. I just want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed. I guess we got to bump up the goal. Next goal is 500. Let's see if we can do it. All right, but enough of me talking. Let's hop into the video. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is check out Bitcoin on the charts, and then we'll get into where people are putting their money at the end. So right now, we'll see Bitcoin had this crazy sell right here. It really wasn't too terrible, but this is because of the news about Tesla. Tesla sold 75% of their holdings, and that's pretty big because, you know, the sentiment was Tesla supported Bitcoin. They just didn't support all the energy problems that came along with it. So that just happened, but let's check out the daily, and I'll show you some of the charting that I'm actually looking at. So as of right now, so the Tesla sell-off, they found out about that today. That's kind of why we have this doji pattern up here. Let me zoom in real quick. Sorry, my keyboard's not working. There we go. So right here's the doji, and that's kind of why it came down. But if we take a look at this pattern right here, Bitcoin was coming up, down, up, and it finally broke above this resistance. And it was, you know, it looks okay, but just take a mental image of this, and then let's look back in history. If we look right here, so Bitcoin again was doing this channel up, down, and then finally broke above that resistance. Everybody came out and they're like, oh my gosh, Bitcoin to 100,000. It's going to keep going. It's over. And ultimately it toppled over and actually went down $24,000 since then. So right now we see pretty much the same thing. Bitcoin up, down, broke above that resistance, and it looks to me like it's going to topple over going forward. There's just so much bad in the world right now, and the sentiment isn't really good for crypto or the stock market to just go to the moon. So that's what's going on with that. Let's check out SPY because this is the market in general. Again, it's in this channel. It's going up, down, and people came out and said once it hits 400, sell and hold your money and let it crash. So that's what a lot of people are saying right now, and I'm kind of one of them. So I think it's going to topple over after this. And, you know, some of the reasoning behind this, you know, theory or thesis, whatever you want to come up with, is because when you look at the options trading. So right here is SPY, again, the general market indicator, and these are options. So an option is when you think that the price will either go up or down at a set time in the future, and regardless of that, you'll cash out, and, you know, you got to deal with the consequences. So here we go. A call is when you think that the price will go up in the future, and a put is when you think the price will go down in the future. So for this chart right here, people think, you know, puts right here, we think that the price of the market in general will go down by August 15th. So these dates are set up for August 15th. People think that the price is going to go down. So people are out here making bets right here, 47 bets saying that the market in general will be down to $285 by August 15th. That's crazy. I'm not one of those people, to be completely honest. But look, if you just add up how many people think that the price is going to go down by August 15th, all these numbers right here, these are all bets that people think, hey, it's going down. Look, we even get to around 1,400 people think it'll be $370 by August 15th. So that's just, if you could add up all those, it'll be a ton of people that are placing bets thinking that the price of the market will go down. Now when we come up to this $400 mark right here, that's where the market is right now. So anything below this is a call, and people think the price will go up. So let's again look at the volume. Anything above 400, we have 676 people, 100, and just add these up, 200, 400, 300, and boom, we're at the bottom. That's all the bets people have that SPY is going to go up in the future by August 15th. So a lot of people think the sentiment now is that it's going to crash soon. I personally think there's going to be one more giant dip, and then that's going to be game time, at least for me. That's when I plan on buying in. So, but it's not financial advice. So, yeah, again, people are really, really looking like they want to the market wants to go down. So that's what I'm seeing with that. And now, where are people putting their money? You know, I told you guys from the beginning that people really aren't buying equities. What are they buying? They're out here buying bonds. That's what people do when there's a recession or a bear market. They end up throwing their money into these bonds where they can get a fixed interest rate, and there's really no downside. So if we look here, this is the 1 month bond. You throw your money in for a month and you get some interest. Look at it over the past couple months. This is I don't even know what I picked. 3 month. Yeah, this is the 3 month right here. It's ripping up. Year to date, it's just ripping up. So from February, it was around like 0.03%, and now we're up to around 1.86%. So people are really flooding this because they don't want to take that risk right now. They don't have money to lose. I'm one of those people. I'm just holding on to every penny, really just trying to get everything I can right now. So that's where people are throwing their money. It makes sense to me. But sooner or later, it will flop over and they will start flooding the market again. But it just doesn't look like it is right now. You know, it doesn't look like the time for when they'll throw all their money in the market is now. So that's everything I'm checking out. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. And remember to please like, comment, and subscribe. Can't wait to see you in the next one.